Man, did I find you guys deal of the century here on this Bosch Chameleon kit. We're going to show you how to save $308 off. Okay, so here's how the deal works. Now, don't panic that it says $587. That's not the price. See how it says here, save an extra $308. What you have to do is put this in the cart, but I just want to show you first what's in here. So here's the normal Chameleon kit, which is right here where I'm circling. And it normally comes with, I think, one battery here. And what they're doing on this is they're throwing in the multi-tool and another battery. So we're walking away from here at 2 batteries total in this entire kit. So what you do is you put this into the cart. Okay, so I already had one in the cart, so I just wanted to, let's go check it out in the cart. Once you get to the cart, here you'll see it right here. See, it changed it to $279 right here, and it says you saved $308. Let me zoom in here for you. This is an incredible score right here, because it's more than 50% off. So it says here, the tax calculator, check out blah, blah, blah. I don't even know if it'll take a promo code if you have one here, but it says right here, you're saving $308. Now this is a Lowe's deal of the day. This is only good today, Friday, October 7th, 2022. If you come back tomorrow, this deal will not be here. So that's why I was trying to rush this video out to get it out for you folks so you could see it. And even if you wanted to get this deal and maybe you don't need the multi-tool, hey, you could sell the multi-tool. So we don't know if anything here is hackable or not, but let's say you bought this deal and you just really wanted the kit. You know, you could either sell the multi-tool. I don't know that it's hackable, but you could put it on Facebook Marketplace or on eBay or something like that. So I will put a link to this in the video description down below for you so you can go right to this deal. And remember, you won't see the price until you put it into the shopping cart. So this is what the Chameleon kit normally sells for, is $319, see? And it doesn't even come with everything that was shown in the picture before. Here, we're only getting 1 battery in the kit for $319, so it's a pricey little kit. Then I wanted to show you there's also up to 50% off on some of the smart home items. So I'll put a link to this page down below for you as well, and you can see there's quite a few of these going on. Now these you have until October 12th. This is not a deal of the day, so on any of the home security and Ring and stuff like that, take a look, because you have at least a few more days. But you know, a lot of times sale items like these will sell out, so I would not delay getting in there. And by the way, I'm working on another video on the Champlain Towers condo collapse with some update on the NIST testing that's been going on. I hope to have that done for you this weekend, so be sure to watch out for that one. And this is why you subscribe to this channel, folks. So I hope this helps you out. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see all of you on the next one.